Welcome to the Questica Budget Change Request Feature Overview. Change requests are a formal way to document changes to your budget. You can have different types of change request, and each type of change request can go in its own unique approval path. In my particular sample, I have types for budget amendments, operating budget requests, and transfers. So let's open up a change request to take a closer look. So this is our IT decision package. All of the fields you're seeing on my screen can be configured depending on the type of change request selected. So you might have more fields or less fields. And it can be interactive. So as I check off this particular field, you'll notice that my field has disappeared. This is where we would hold all of the narrative and justification about a particular request. Now, where we keep track of the actual budget changes will be here in our operating section. Actually, you can combine operating, personnel, as well as capital changes all within the same decision package. And now we'll look at our budget lines to actually make some budget changes. So here we can just see we are transferring $100,000 from one cost center to the next. And we can also see the positions that have been impacted in this particular change request. Can look at that in a little bit more detail here on my position allocations page. And if I wanted to, I could even enter in a start date and an end date for this particular request if we know that the position change is going to happen partway through the budget year. If I had any capital related changes, that could also be included in the capital section. Once I'm ready to promote my change request to the next stage, I just hit the big green promote button, select the next stage in my process, which happens to be the approval stage. And now my change request has been approved. Publishing my change request will then insert the lines into the operating budget. My change request has now been published. And now we can see the $100,000 removed from the IT budget. This concludes our overview of the change request feature in Questica Budget. Please check out our other videos to learn more about the Questica Budget platform.